Looking for the best Maytag washing machine of 2024? From advanced features to durable builds, we've got the top models that promise efficiency and performance. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Stick around to find out which one takes the crown for your laundry needs. Number 1. Maytag MHW8630HC. It stands out as the best Maytag washer we've tested, thanks to its exceptional stain removal, large drum, and extensive features. Its heavy-duty cycle excelled in our cleaning tests, effortlessly tackling tough stains like red wine and oil. One of its highlights is the internal water heater, which powers the sanitized cycle to reach around 130 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively eliminating common bacteria. Additionally, its automatic detergent dispenser can hold enough soap for up to 8 loads, offering convenience for frequent laundry days. Innovative features like Fresh Hold keep clothes fresh by tumbling the drum post-wash, while the overnight wash and dry function can clean and dry a few garments while you sleep. With its performance and thoughtful design, the washing machine makes laundry less of a chore and more efficient. Number 2. Maytag MHW6630HC. This is a solid choice for longtime fans of Maytag washing machines, offering impressive cleaning power and time-saving features. Its normal and heavy-duty cycles deliver excellent stain removal, while the 13-minute quick cycle stands out for its efficiency and effectiveness. Though it's not as gentle on clothes as some might prefer, the washing machine compensates with thoughtful features. The steam option boosts stain-fighting power, while the extended tumble cycle helps prevent post-wash clothes from clumping or wrinkling. The extra power button is another standout, tackling tough stains in large family-sized loads with ease. For those seeking a washer that can handle stubborn stains and deliver quick, effective results, the Maytag washing machine is a reliable and efficient front-load option. Number 3. Maytag MVW7232HW. This is a top-load washer that combines modern features with traditional functionality, offering excellent performance for large loads. With a spacious 5.3 cubic feet capacity and the extra power stain removal booster, it efficiently tackles tough stains without sacrificing cleaning ability. The deep fill option is a standout, allowing users to add extra water to wash cycles for better cleaning control. In terms of stain removal, the normal and heavy-duty cycles perform exceptionally well, making this one of the best washers in its class. Despite longer cycle times, around 40 minutes for the normal cycle, the washing machine is gentle on clothes, ensuring that your garments are treated with care. Overall, it's a reliable washer that delivers impressive cleaning power and flexibility. Number 4. Maytag MHW5630HW. This is an ideal choice for busy families who need a washer that can handle tough stains while fitting into a hectic schedule. This front-loading machine delivers above-average performance on both normal and delicate cycles, but it truly excels with its heavy-duty cycle, tackling even the toughest laundry tasks. The 15-minute quick cycle is perfect for when you're short on time, and the 12-hour fresh spin setting helps keep clothes fresh if you need to leave a load unattended. However, the extra power setting falls short of expectations. It doesn't improve cleaning performance, instead just extending the wash time. Overall, the washing machine is a reliable washer for families, though it could benefit from some refinement in its extra features. Number 5. Maytag Pet Pro MVW6530HC. This is an excellent choice for pet owners, particularly due to its ability to remove pet hair, a feature that performed exceptionally well during testing with a dog blanket covered in hair from a Bernese mountain dog. Its pole agitator, equipped with a special filter, captures the hair, though you'll need to manually empty the filter. In terms of overall cleaning performance, the washing machine is above average for a top loader, with the heavy and delicate cycles excelling at stain removal. It also features a built-in faucet for pre-treating stains directly over the tub, helping to reduce water waste. The quick wash cycle is notably efficient, completing a load in just 31 minutes. However, the delicate cycle was rougher on clothes than expected, and the spin cycles didn't extract as much water, which means your dryer will have to work harder. So, which is the best Maytag washing machine? After testing, the Maytag MHW8630HC stands out for its unbeatable features and performance, making it our top pick for 2024.